Hey guys, it's Holly and I'm super excited because I finally got my November KnitCrate. I'm so excited about this because lately I've loved like all the stuff KnitCrate is sending. It's just insane. I absolutely love it. So if you guys don't know what KnitCrate is, have you been living under a rock? No, I'm just kidding. It is a monthly subscription plan. They have, this is the membership, and the membership comes with 2 skeins of their in-house yarn, and it could be any weight. So it could be like fingering, it could be DK, it could be sport, worsted, whatever. They also have a sock club where you obviously would get sock weight yarn. They have a Malabrigo club. They have all kinds of clubs. They're very affordable, super easy, and so much fun to get. And if, for some reason, you get a color you don't like, because usually you get like 1 of 2 or 1 of 3 colors. If you don't like it, they have an entire group over on Ravelry where you guys can swap yarns and trade and do stuff. Many times I've gotten a color I didn't like and somebody's reached out to me and I was able to trade with them because we just all love KnitCrate and it's all so cute. So super excited about November. I cannot remember, my little knot here is kind of funky, but I cannot remember what the color inspiration was. I know it was more like deeper colors, which is totally cool with me. So I'm super excited to open up and see what's in it. I love it so much. So, and if you guys have never gotten KnitCrate and you want to get KnitCrate, you can use my code pineapple20, no spaces, and get 20% off your first purchase. You could also use my link down below to go over and check it out. So I hope if you haven't gotten a chance to use KnitCrate that you head over there and do it because I absolutely love it. It's so much fun to get and open every month. It's like a little birthday present every single month. I adore it. This box is kind of heavy. I have no idea why it's so heavy, but super excited. So let's do this like we always do. I shall show you first. All I did was cut the thing I didn't look. So this is what I got. What did I get, guys? I got blue. Ooh, it's so soft. It's this beautiful blue. It's by Knitology by KnitCrate. It is their glowing worsted in the color C. It is 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, and 30% alpaca, and you get 150 yards, so you get 300 yards because you get twosies. But look at this pretty blue. It is really beautiful. Wow, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. That totally goes with my headband. Love that. It's so soft. I think they gave something out once before with this base, and it's so stunning, you guys. So soft. So let's see what else is in the thing. So you get your little Knitology or your KnitCrate thing, and it shows you what the colors you could have got. Oh, there was a creamy color and a deep red that we could have got. And then if you see the sock crate up there, so I would have been happy with any of these colors. And then there's usually, I'm looking, guys, 2 patterns. So there is a, for the crochet, there is this beautiful cowl. Very pretty. And for knitting, it looks like you get 2. You get a hat or some mitts, which I never follow the patterns, but I love looking. So love their little book. It's all in there. And then on the back they show you the inspiration for next month. It's so cute. Look, so I am really hoping for maybe like this green. Yeah, I like green. But anyways, okay. So let's see what else is in the box. So last month we got stitch markers, but this month we got tea. Ahmed tea from London. Oh, it looks like you get a couple here. Oh, you get mango, strawberry sensation, and peach fruit passion. So these are the teas. Now, I don't drink tea, you guys. I don't drink tea, I don't drink coffee. I pretty much just drink water. But I do have friends that drink tea, and I'm totally going to gift this to them because they will love it. So this is so cute. I know a lot of knitters and crocheters totally drink tea, so I bet I don't watch anybody else's unboxing because I don't want to like ruin. Oh, there's a bee trying to get in my house. Ooh, bees. There's a, I don't want to ruin my surprise. But I love this, you guys. It's so pretty. This is really out of my comfort zone for yarn. My comfort zone is like hot pink, lime green, bright yellow. But this is really pretty. And I absolutely, it's, you guys, the softest. Like I wish I had a pillow made of this. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. Like I said, feel free to use my code pineapple20 to get 20% off and my link down below. Thank you guys so much, and as always, love you guys. Bye.